Hi everybody, this is Adam Pecoraro with Flexoraro Fitness, and we're going to be watching my wife Rebecca and our friend Bob do one of their weekly workouts. Now the first exercise we're going to be doing here is called Loaded Beast, and that's going to go into a renegade row. So the Loaded Beast movement is more of an advanced athletic movement, I would say, intermediate to advanced, and it's a great way to keep mobility in the wrists and the shoulders, as well as the upper and lower back. So you just sit back on your heels without your knees touching the ground with your arms extended in front of you, kind of like doing child's pose. Now from there you move forward into a plank and you do what's called a renegade row. And these are effective because they utilize full body engagement. It takes all of the benefits of doing a plank, right? So core strength, stabilization, and it adds an upper body component by putting in the addition of a dynamic pulling movement, a row. Exercise number 2 is coming off of the tails of their maintenance routine, which we did not film, but if you've been watching their videos, they start every Tuesday's workout with an arm maintenance routine. That's so that we cover those exercises, but we don't have to make them a part of their HIIT workout. We're going to sit them down so they can't use their legs, and it's also a unilateral exercise, meaning one dumbbell in one arm, and then they transition, and this will help them to work on improving any imbalances that one arm might have over the other. The shoulder press is one of the best exercises for strengthening your shoulders and upper back. While the biggest benefactor of this exercise is your shoulders, you'll also be working your triceps, trapezius, and your pecs. Now while they're on the ground, we'll just keep them on the ground for a little bit longer, and they're going to do a sit-up with an alternating toe tap. This right here is just to add some fun and a little bit of core challenge to your basic sit-up. Really for these two, this exercise is more like an active rest, okay, because they do an awful lot more with their abs, but because there's so much on their arms in today's workout, it's nice to give them something where they don't have to use their arms, and really this is the idea here. But they do get some abdominal benefit and they get some core recruitment, and that's always cool. The next one here, back to torturing the arms, is a triceps push up. There's a few different ways to do this, but they're going to make an X and push with the blade and palm heel of their hands. Now, this is a very difficult exercise, as you can imagine. So you can do it from your knees, and we've also encouraged them to adjust to diamond push-ups as another way to continue to hit the triceps, but to make it a little bit more manageable. Now they're doing 3 sets of these exercises, and you're watching the 3rd set here, the one where they would be the most exhausted, and they're still doing a pretty good job. And the last exercise on their HIIT workout today is squat jumps. Wow, my wife is using the printer.
Sorry. Sorry.
Becca, say hi.
Hi.
So our last exercise are squat jumps, which are an awesome exercise for engaging the lower body. Now your calves, your hamstrings, your glutes are all going to get work, but your quadriceps are going to scream. They do the bulk of the work. The movement requires engagement of the core and arms as well. It's easily adjusted to a standard squat if you start to fatigue. I've given Becca and Bob a goal of doing 25 reps each round, and I think at the end, Bob achieved that and ended up with 75 over the 3 sets, but Becca went beyond and did 100, so pretty awesome. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. If you like our videos, please subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll do my best to reply to you. And we'll see you next time.